Okay friends, today I am going to make clinometer. It is an instrument that is used to measure the angle of elevation and angle of depression. It's an instrument which is easy to make at home with simple materials. The materials required to make clinometer are one sellotape, one scissor, one protector, one straw, drinking straw. You can take a thin or a big straw as per your requirement. One small thread, okay, the length of thread or string can be this much, and one weight to attach it with the string or the thread. So the weight I have taken here is the eraser. You can take sharpener or any other weights attached to it. So let's start making it. So here I have attached my weight with the string. Now this string I'll attach it with the straw. So approximately in the middle I will attach it. Okay. Now the task is to attach this straw with the protector in the middle. So basically we need to make sure that this thread should be in the middle of the protector. So it should be exactly here, exactly at 90 degrees. So when you hold this, it should be straight and with the 90-degree angle. Okay. Now we will attach it with the sellotape. Let's see how we can attach it. So with the simple tape, here we will attach it with sellotape. So this is how our clinometer is ready. Make sure that this straw is perfectly aligned with the protector. It should not be below or above it. It should be exactly same at the base. And this string that is attached should be exactly in the middle, that is aligned with the 90-degree angle. And this is how now I'll show you how you will measure angle of elevation and angle of depression with this instrument. So first you make sure that you hold this string at 90 degree, and you need to from your eye level just see. Now leave this hand and see the suppose you're watching the top of a tree. So look at the top of a tree and you need to tilt it till you see the tip of a tree. Once you see the tip of a tree or any other instrument or a pole that you're looking at, just stop there and slightly hold it here, the string. Now see at what it is. So when you measure it, see, can you see it is at 60 degree? So from 90, this thread moved to 60 degree. That means the angle that you have moved is only 30 degree. Okay. So the angle of elevation is 30 degree at for my example. Now let us take the how you will measure the angle of depression. In a similar way, you will see the angle of depression. So again, the first thing that you need to make sure that the string is aligned at 90 degree. Okay. Now hold your clinometer to your eye level. Move your hand. Leave the strings unattached with your hand. Leave it in the air. Now tilt it down. Now you need to see till where you see that bottom. Okay. Once you see the bottom of a pole or a tree that you are going to measure, again you stop there and hold your string, and now once you hold it, see at which level it is. So when I see it is exactly at 100 only. So from 90 it moved on to 100 degree. That means it is only 10 degrees. So angle of depression is nothing but 10 degree. The reason is you always first make it a 90 degree because the angle of elevation and angle of depression starts at the eyesight level, that is the horizontal line. Okay. That is how you measure the angle of elevation and depression. Thank you.